Horses out, we have Mr. Integrity, pass to begin, down on the inside, Black Parade, moving a party out, so now is La Huerta, Mr. Diamond is racing in port, then comes Lever Action, Miss Manila on a Rose Action Sailor, and Chip of Stop is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have La Huerta by Abraleca, and on the outside, Mr. Diamond, Mr. Integrity in the middle, 4 lengths away in port, Lever Action, Black Parade, then comes on a Rose, Miss Manila, Action Sailor, and Chief of Stop still racing in last. Mr. Integrity now takes the lead, then on the outside, Mr. Diamond fighting out for the lead, La Huerta drives back in third, Lever Action in fourth, then followed by Honor Rose, Miss Manila Action Sailor, Black Parade, and Chief of Stop. Now we have Mr. Diamond takes the lead now by about half a length. Mr. Integrity drives back in second, racing in third, La Huerta, Lever Action in fourth, Honor Rose, Action Sailor moving a party out, so now Chief of Stop, Miss Manila and Black Parade as they come down at the last 150. That's still Mr. Diamond by about 3 lengths. Mr. Integrity moving a party out, so now Chief of Stop, Lever Action on a Rose, but it's still Mr. Diamond by about 6 lengths. And finally, it's Mr. Diamond. Second, on a Rose, Chief of Stop, then comes Lever Action, number 4.
529.
65274.
Sinagot na yung mga